As we just told you, the Illinois Supreme Court has just ruled cashless bail is constitutional. And joining us to help unpack this decision is Lake County State's Attorney Eric Rinehart. Good morning to you. This literally just came down, so I know you have not had a chance to actually go back and look at the details of the ruling. But I understand that you actually backed cashless bail. A lot of states' attorneys were worried about this. Let me get your initial reaction to this decision.
Good morning, Sylvia. This is good news for the people of Illinois. This is going to make all of Illinois safer because individuals who are charged with crimes, offenders, will not be able to use their cash to get out. I think that when people hear there's going to be a change to the bail system, they think that we're no longer holding people prior to trial. This is a new detention system. I'd love for you to be using those words. This is a new detention system that doesn't rely upon cash. Every victims group, every major victims group in Illinois supported this reform. I supported this reform because I don't think that we should have two systems of justice, one system for people who have money and one system for people who don't have money. We know that offenders can get access to money from accomplices, from family members at 2 a.m., whatever it is. And we were seeing too many dangerous offenders post cash and then be out on pretrial release. One of our worst cases, somebody who sexually assaulted children, posted, I think, $200,000 and has left for Mexico. So this type of system is going to make people safer. Victims groups support it. And it's also going to make sure that we don't hold nonviolent offenders simply because they don't have cash.
You know, I think it's
a good ruling.
I think it's worth reiterating how you have phrased this, because you're absolutely right. So many people thought, oh, cashless bail, that means criminals are going to be taking over the streets. They're not going to be held responsible. This was a cornerstone of the governor's Safety Act. If you could, and you've kind of said this, but as I said, I think it's worth reiterating. If you can reassure people at home, how is this going to really impact criminal justice reform?
Yeah, we were ready. We were ready for the act here in Lake County in late 2022. We'll be ready in 60 days. I see that the ruling is effective in 60 days. So that's enough time to refresh ourselves. We had done several trainings for prosecutors and police partners. I had personally led those training for police. On a daily basis, what we're about to see is that people charged with domestic violence, for example, people who are charged with child pornography, for example, possessing child pornography, will no longer be able to access a 401k, will no longer be able to access maybe a fellow, an accomplice's money to post cash. We have individual drug traffickers and weapon offenders posting $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 in cash. That will no longer be the system. Judges will decide, judges will have this discretion, judges will decide whether somebody is held prior to their trial without any ability to use their money, somebody else's money, drug money, whatever it is, to be out waiting for the trial. This is a very good system. It's very transparent. It makes judges explain exactly why they're holding somebody, and it mirrors the federal system. We haven't used cash in the federal system since 1984. It mirrors the federal system. It mirrors the Illinois juvenile justice system. The judges are built to make these safety decisions and to do these safety analyses, and it'll no longer be left to wondering whether or not an offender has access to cash. You don't get a criminal's tax filings when they're arrested, and so nobody can, under the old cash system, which is gone as of today. You won't have people going through their, you won't have people being able to access money and to, in my opinion, evade consequences at the start of a case.
Okay, let me ask you real quick because we're out of time. So what happens now? Is this going to be effective immediately?
I read that it's effective on September 18th. That's within the court's discretion. I think that's a good time frame. We were ready on December 30th, 2022, and 62 state's attorneys filed lawsuit. I've heard that every state's attorney filed lawsuit except me. That's not true. It was only 62 out of the 102. And the people that those 62 state's attorneys represent are certainly not even the majority of Illinoisans. And so it wasn't every state's attorney. And so the stay will be lifted effective September 18th. We'll be ready. We'll be working with our law enforcement partners, many of whom support this change, because it'll keep bad guys in jail, and we won't be wondering about where these offenders are going to be getting their money to get out.